Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my August update of my Shop My Stash project pan. So excited to be filming this video with you all today because I am looking forward to refreshing these products. I've really enjoyed using them. It's always fun to switch them out and start working on some new ones. So yeah, before we jump into that though, you guys know I love to just catch up with you all and fill you in on things happening in my life. So my husband and I celebrated our 9-year wedding anniversary. Actually, technically today's our 9-year wedding anniversary, but we celebrated it this past weekend by doing a little trip, and my parents watched the kids, and it was just like the most relaxing, wonderful time. We just had the best weekend together and just like went to the beach and the pool, and it was just the best. We had some amazing food, did some shopping. This is one of the shirts that I picked out. Yeah, and it was the best time ever. And then our oldest starts kindergarten on Monday, which I'm like, how are we here? I don't know. It's crazy. And we have like his orientation tonight. He's already met his teacher, but he'll drop off all his school supplies and we'll go chat with her again. And so yeah, it's getting real over here. So I can't believe that I have a kid going into kindergarten. It's wild. I'm really excited for him. I think he's gonna thrive. And then as an update in terms of things that I'm loving, because I love to share with you guys things, I shared in one of my recent videos this recipe book that I got because I don't always want to be looking at my phone ever. I'm trying to not be on my phone all the time. And so I bought this recipe book off Amazon because I wanted to write down all my recipes so that way I'm not always on my phone looking at recipes, because I'm on my phone and screens enough. And a lot of you were like, I love that, or I do that. So as a result, I wanted to share something else that I recently bought. So I bought this Camp Snap camera. So it's a digital camera, but there's no screen. We are going to the beach with our kids for one last beach trip coming up here, and I got this also for my boys to capture the moment but not be looking at a phone. So I'm really excited to try this out a little bit more. It's so funny, I feel like a lot of people are just kind of trying to revert back to a time when technology didn't totally rule our worlds, and it does rule my world in most situations, but where I can find a little bit of whimsy and nostalgia and just not be on a screen, I'm making an effort to do so. I want my kids to be my mom wasn't looking at her phone all the time, you know? Without further ado, let's go ahead and actually talk about what we're here to talk about, which is my Shop My Stash project pan. I call it a project pan because when I pick out the products on a monthly basis, the goal is to use them 5 times each before I roll them back into my collection at the end of that month during these updates. If I don't hit those 5 uses, they just get rolled over to the next month until I do hit those 5 uses. And that's really all there is to it. I try to keep this one pretty simple. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the products that I used this past month and how many times I used them. First product that I'm going to talk about is my Haus Labs foundation. I used this one 19 times and I loved using this foundation. It applies beautifully and I love how it looks on my skin. I do feel throughout the day I start getting a little bit greasy with this foundation than I do with some other ones, but that also could be a product of the setting spray I'm using. But in general, I've just absolutely been loving how this looks on my skin. I love the color match on this. I highly recommend, and I kind of don't want to roll it back in. Next is my CoverGirl pressed powder. Super excited about this update because look at the size of the pan on this one. Really excited to be making such good progress on another pressed powder. I finished one already this year, and this one's looking like I might be able to finish this one as well. So definitely thinking that I'll probably use this as a project pan roll-in in the near future. So just really excited about the progress on that. I've been loving how it sets my foundation and how it looks on the skin. As a way to combat some of that greasiness, I've been doing that powder, and then later when I do setting spray, I sometimes go back over with a little bit more powder, and it has been working. So definitely been loving this product. Really excited about the fact that I hit pan on it. I call this project, sometimes like a gateway to my project pan, because a lot of times I'll make such good progress on the products that I'm working on in my Shop My Stash project pan that eventually I just roll them in to my regular project pan. And I use this one 19 times as well. Real quick on my Cali Ray setting spray, this was in this project before I rolled it into my regular project pan, like I just was talking about, and I used this one 11 times, but I won't really give many more updates than that because I'll save that for my project pan video, but we are getting close on that. A product that I've absolutely been loving is my Patrick Ta blush in the shade She's the Moment. I've used the cream, I've used the powder, I've used them layered together. I've used the powder layered over my Benetint blush. I don't know if I've used Benetint and the cream together, but I've used this in a variety of different ways. I used it 15 times. It's absolutely stunning. I love the fact that you have the option of both the cream and the powder in one packaging. And yeah, this is like, I want to go and get more shades of this blush. That's how much I've been enjoying it. I used my Makeup Forever eyeliner in the shade 9 Ivy 5 times. I actually have like quite enjoyed the times that I've used it. I don't wear as much eye makeup as I used to. I used to always have like liner in my waterline and eyeshadow on, and now it's kind of rare that I'm using eyeshadow or liner, but I did like the times that I have used it. I'm wearing it today. I'll just a little bit on the outer corner, and sometimes I've done the tight line with this, but mostly it's been like smudged a little bit out in the outer corner, and I feel like it's worked really well, not being like too much, but just giving me a little bit more definition and smokiness to my eyes. All right, so I had 2 lippies in this project. The first is Coretta by Oma Beauty. This was a rollover from last month. I had 6 uses on it total. Love this shade. It's just such a pretty like neutral shade, so easy to use, and it's matte, so I love it. And then I also rolled in this Dose of Colors in the shade Parfait. Used this one 5 times. This was a little bit harder to use because it was a lighter pink than I think looked great on my skin tone. I would wear like a darker lip liner and then blot this on top. And that I found was the best way for me to wear this particular lipstick. All right, and then last are the eyeshadows. These are both rollovers from last month. I need to be really careful because this eyeshadow literally just popped out. So the first was the one that was randomly selected. This is Love Hangover right here. I got 5 uses on that, and then I selected from this same palette because that's how I've been doing it. If I roll one in, then I'll just select a shade from that same palette. So I selected this one right here, which is I'm Boogie Shoes, which I also got 5 uses on. Much easier to use that one because it's just like a neutral crease shade, but definitely enjoyed having those in. Although I'm not really wearing eyeshadow, it pushed me out of my comfort zone to wear it a few times. So I will have nothing rolling over into this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these products back, and we can select some new ones to work on. All right, let's first select our eyeshadow with my Pretty Random app. So I randomly selected my Huda Beauty Empowered palette. I've just tried to say that like 3 times and could not. And the shade that I selected randomly is this shade right here called Visionary. So I am gonna work on that one. And then I think I'm going to also select Rebel as like the shade I select to work on. And those are gonna be the 2. So excited to try them out. I don't think I've, it looks like maybe I've used Rebel once, and I don't think I've ever used Visionary. So let's see what we can do over the next month or so. For foundation, I have the Haus Labs foundation, and then I also have this Makeup by Mario foundation, and then I have the old OG Sculpted Complexion Stick, which actually just sits in my makeup bag, and I'll probably just leave that there. So I think I'm gonna pull in this Makeup by Mario foundation. I'll either wear it on its own, or if I need to change the color at all, I'll use that OG Sculpted Complexion Stick. So that will be good to work on. The only other foundation I have is this NARS foundation, which is too light for my skin tone right now. I don't have a ton of foundation products, which I guess is a good thing, and hopefully we can work through the ones that we have eventually, but I've been loving them, so I don't necessarily want to like roll them into a project pan or anything soon. Okay, I do need face powder. I would love to pull my CoverGirl one back in and just get like more work on that, but I'm going to pick my Coty Airspun powder instead. I think I used this one in my last Shop My Stash update, so because I only have 3, I'm just gonna work my way through them, and there's a ton of product in here. I think I could use this one for years and years and years, so we're just gonna get some work on that one done. I don't need a bronzer because I'm working on my Marc Jacobs bronzer in my regular project pan. I don't need a highlight, but I do need a blush. I think I'm gonna pick 2 blushes. So I wanna pick a cream blush. I have these couple from OG and then I have these few from Merit. And I think I'm gonna pick this cream blush. I feel like I wanted to pan this, or I have panned this like in a project pan before. This is in the shade Stockholm. Maybe it was in my project pan at the end of last year. I don't know, I gotta go back and look, but I don't feel like I have a ton of product left in here. I'm not sure how deep this pan goes, but I think it would be good to get some work on that. Now that my Benetint blush is almost done, so I'm gonna pull that in, and then I think I'm actually gonna pull my Kylie blush in. It's very bright. As we're kind of in like the last month of summer, I feel like this is like a good time to try and use it, and I think these two paired together will be nice. So this is my Kylie blush in the shade Rosy. Okay, like I mentioned, I don't need highlight. I don't think I need an eyeliner right now. I do think I'm gonna pull in a setting spray. So I have this one from One Size, which is the Powder Melt setting spray. And then I have these in here. So I have this one from Charlotte Tilbury, this one from Neogen, and then the Danessa Myricks one. I think I'm gonna actually pull this one in, the One Size setting spray, and see how I feel about that. I've only used that one once, so I wanna get some more usage on it. I do need to pick some lippies. I'm actually thinking about pulling a lip gloss in, and I haven't worked on this Patrick Ta one in a minute. This is the lip gloss She's an Influencer. If that gives you a hint, I am getting very close on the lip gloss that's in my project pan. So I'd love to get like 5 uses on that while we finish up my project pan lip gloss. And then let me pick a lipstick to work on. Laura Geller Dolce de Leche, which maybe I'll pull that one in. And then let's see what else. Maybe a more neutral lipstick. This is my Lipstick Queen in the Truth, you know, a top favorite of mine. We could do that one, or we could do from Soap and Glory, this Super Nude Matte Lipstick, which maybe I'll do this one because I haven't worn this one in a minute, and that could be good potentially layered with this one from Laura Geller. This is everything that I've selected right here. We have my Makeup by Mario foundation. I have the Coty Airspun powder, One Size Powder Melt setting spray, this Kylie blush in the shade Rosy, this Merit cream blush in the shade Stockholm, Patrick Ta lip gloss, Laura Geller lipstick, and then Soap and Glory lipstick. Let's see what kind of usage I can get on all of these. Super excited to work on them. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe, and I will talk to you in my next update. Bye.